make some slime, and basically this is really fun to make and really like soft and like just stretchy. But the ingredients you need to use is Elmer's glue and detergent. If you guys see this in the store, this one, then it's detergent. You guys can use Tide or Gain. Those things have already color in it. So Gain has green and Tide has blue. Alright, let's get into it. Back you guys, and let's start making the slime. So I'll tell you guys step by step how to make it. So first you're going to add the glue. Okay, now you can add the glue. By the way, this is sticky. So add it all in. You can actually add a lot in because this is actually a lot. So I bought this at Walmart. So I'm gonna put this much in. If I want, I could put more. But I'm gonna put more. Alright, I think that's it. Alright. Now next you're gonna add this detergent. So you gotta be careful how much you put in because you don't want to get hard. Make it hard. You have to put like little by little, like little by little, because you want to eyeball it. So right now you see how it's like getting like that. It's not ready yet, guys. You have to put more because that's not enough. It depends how much you put of glue, basically. Me, I kind of put like a medium size, so it'll be a medium size slime. So you guys can actually add color food thing. Yeah, it'll have, if you add it, and then it'll make colors. It'll put a color. It'll make it into a color, food coloring. I think you guys could get it at supermarkets or 99-cent stores. So, yeah, eyeball it. Don't put too much because it'll get like, really hard. So, see how, like that? And if you eyeball it, then like it will not get that much like hard. Like this slime, like white and blue, and this type of detergent, the clear ones, is always hard to make it or anything like that. Because this right here is hard. It has to put like a little lot thing. It's not that too powerful. So here. Look how it's turning out. It's getting there. It is really fun to make. You can guys add other stuff like beads and like that stuff to make it crunchy, you know, do all that. Oops. So sometimes it takes time, or it will take a workout because your arm you have to keep mixing. Alright. It's getting really soft. You gotta work with your hands. Right. Look how it's turning out. you don't want to get too into it, and when you put more, sometimes it'll turn really sticky when you put all your hands on it. So keep adding these until it's soft and stretchy. You don't want to add too much or it will get hard, like I said last time. So you want it like nice and stretchy and like, you know, it's like basically like something you can stress off. If you're having a bad day, you can touch this, you can play around with it, it'll make you feel good. Yeah. So see all this. Woo. It can also put like a stress reliever, or you can actually get this and put it inside a balloon and then tie it, and then it'll like make a stress reliever. So if you get tied or gain, you after you're done playing with this, you always have to wash your hands because it's like detergent. You don't want to put in your eyes or mouth or anything. So you got to be careful with that. Remember that. You gotta wash your hands after. Or do this cool tricks, you know. Put this over here. So you just clean off the spoon like this. Do that. Side, so you guys can see. Here's the slime, guys. Here's the finished product. So you can take all the stuff out from the bowl. Oh yeah, you can't leave this sitting around anywhere. You have to put a cap or something like this so it won't get like hard or like, yeah. So it won't sit there with the air coming out and make it hard. So this is how it looks, the finished product. Alright. Very fun to play with. So this is basically just having fun playing with this. So this is really fun, stretchy. Alright, so that's the tutorial of making the slime. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to end this video right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. And our PayPal will be linked in the bottom below. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. And peace.